Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to track banner messages such as this on your website. There's various reasons why you might want to do this. For example, you might want to track every time a banner comes up saying their product's not available, every time that someone successfully subscribed, every time that a credit card is declined, various reasons to make sure that you're checking every interaction on your website that can cause a potential failure in conversion. So the first thing you want to do is you want to right click and inspect this. And you want to click these three bubbles and say copy JS path. Now the reason we want to do this is we want to collect this information here. Now the reason we want to collect this information is we want to go over to Google Analytics and create a trigger to fire our code every time this banner appears. Now you want to go new, you want to click element visibility. Now you can either choose CSS selector or ID, or I've chosen the CSS selector. The reason I've chosen the CSS selector is you can see here it doesn't have an ID. So it doesn't have ID equals, then you probably want to go with the selector. Cool. So, name this. The next thing you want to do is you want to create a variable to return the text of the message. Same process, copy JS path. Only at the end you want to add dot inner text. If that doesn't work, you can try dot value. But for text-based, it should work relatively easy. So you go to variables, new variable, and call it what you want. I've called it banner message variable, and you want custom JavaScript. If you're not familiar with writing JavaScript, you can just follow along what I'm doing. It should work fine. So give us a name. And you're saying, for this function, I want us to do the below code. And for our example, we will first want to define the variable we want to use, so like so. You then want to return it. What this will allow us to do is to reference the message when we send it to Google Analytics. The reason you want to do this is some banner messages change depending on what they're trying to say, but the selector and the position and the actual container of the banner stays the exact same. So the message could be your credit card's expired, or it could be this product is no longer available, and it could all use the same banner. It could just change the inner text or the text of the banner depending on the error that's given. Alright, so the last thing we want to do is we want to create a tag, and this tag we're going to send an event to Google Analytics. So to reference the message we created, so we'll name the category alert message, so that all of the alert messages fall into the same category, and you can then differentiate it by the action. Alright. So then we hook this up to banner. And you're done. Cool, and the last thing we want to do is we want to preview it to make sure it's all working. Awesome, so we can see that here the element was seen, which fired our tag. I can see that our category was alert message, our action was banner message variable. I can see in actions, our banner message variable is thanks for subscribing. So now we know that that is all tracking correctly. If you have any questions, feel free to add a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.